Chairman, Judge Wise, you're not being honest with us, are you? Well, we all may be poorer under President Biden, but we're not stupid.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I bet you didn't know how intense a confirmation hearing could get. Today, we're diving into the intense moments from the confirmation hearing of President Biden's nominee, California State Court Judge Noël Wise. The spotlight was on Wise as she faced tough questions from Senator John Kennedy and other Republican members of the Senate Judiciary Committee. They scrutinized Wise's writings about how laws regulating public conduct based on gender can be applied to intersex individuals. This hearing has sparked quite the debate. In a Time magazine article, Wise discussed how the legal system addresses individuals born with or developing sexual characteristics that don't fit into a strict male-female binary. This sparked heated debate.
Chairman, Judge Wise, you're not being honest with us, are you?
That is incorrect.
Well, we all may be poorer under President Biden, but we're not stupid. We have a long list of your articles and your opinions and your political statements. On March 8, 2017, you wrote an article for Time magazine while you were a sitting judge. It's entitled, Judge, Gender Laws Are at Odds with Science. I'm going to quote your words. When legislators blur the lines of church and state and enact laws that permit or prohibit conduct based on biological gender as only male or female, they place an impossible burden on the judiciary. End quote. Did I read that accurately?
I do not know because I don't have the article in front of me.
Well, I do. You also said in that article, quote, your words, not mine, sex has countless natural permutations, end quote. Did I read that correctly?
I believe that is consistent with medical science and under the Daubert standard, the science that comes in as expert testimony in trials.
On October 13, 2020, while you were serving as a state judge, you wrote an article for The Atlantic entitled, quote, your words, not mine, America's judiciary doesn't look like America. And you criticized this committee and President Trump for his judicial nominees. You said, quote, these are your words, not mine. The judiciary crafted over the past 4 years does not look like America. Not one of these judges is black, and more than 90% were raised or currently identify as Christians. I don't know how you knew that. And then you say, quote, your words, not mine. Identity is the lens that filters everything and everyone we encounter, end quote. Did I read that correctly?
Again, I don't know because I don't have the article in front of me.
I do. I got it right here. You wrote another article on July 31, 2020 for the San Francisco Daily Journal, in which you advocate for the right of sitting judges to be able to go to protests, didn't you?
That is incorrect.
No, it's not. I'm looking at it right here. This is what you say. No judge should be ethical. Your words, not mine. You just said you didn't say them. You turned these articles over. No judge should be ethically constrained from speaking or taking action that reinforces that constitutional and moral imperative. May judges participate in demonstrations that denounce racism, support equal justice, and reinforce our constitutional rights to free speech and peaceable assembly? Yes. End quote. Did I read that correctly?
I don't know because I don't have the article in front of me.
If you're a federal judge, are you going to go to protests?
Senators Hawley and Kennedy grilled Wise on the content and implications of this article during the hearing. They challenged her views on how the law should handle gender identity and non-conforming sexual characteristics. The exchange was a stark reminder of the ongoing ideological divide in the U.S. Senate over federal judge nominations, especially on LGBTQ+ rights and gender identity issues. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more in-depth analysis of the stories shaping our world.